I know I look dry and I know I look homeless, but it's just I haven't showered yet because I ran out of toner.
Absolutely.
What's up guys, and welcome back to another Shiro, because Shiro plus video equates to Shiro, and I'm glad that you're back to see what I have next to offer. Clearly I've lost the energy. Awesome, people waking up in the morning. So as you guys can probably tell, it is morning. However, you can see that I look wretched. You can see I look bad. The problem I'm having this morning is that I want to shower. However, I did not make extra toner yesterday, knowing that I was about to run out of toner. You guys can tell I'm about to show you some DIY toner. However, I must tell you to take whatever I say with a grain of salt, because
me, I did not go to school for chemical engineering. I am not a dermatologist. I am just a girl on a budget that is very happy with this product that I have developed with the aid of YouTube and other DIY toners.
So I'm just gonna share with you how I make my toner. So these are the friends we have over here. As you will have noticed, there are 5 ingredients. I mean guys, 5 ingredients for a toner, and these are things that you find in your kitchen. So over here we have the very lovely Tetley pure green tea. Next we have the lemon. I am using an already cut lemon. I think I'm going to give you an angle of the lemon and you will see that it does not look as glamorous as I thought it would. And lastly we have honey, apple cider vinegar and water. Notice the ratio of my hand to the mug. It is not a lot. It really is not a lot, because you don't need a lot. Don't make it in a big mug. This is some useful advice. Don't put a lot of water into the mixture, because that makes it more diluted. So I really go for a very concentrated toner, so to avoid as much waste as possible. And also where I put it in is this little friend of mine that has been with me. It is actually a Tresemme bottle that I, disinfected and all that with sunlight. Guys, look for a spritz bottle. The kind that ends with mist, not the kind that shoots holes into your face, because you want to feel like you are an advertisement every morning with your face routine, okay? So these are what I use. And now I'm gonna show you how I make it. So guys, what I'm about to teach you is basically how to make a cup of tea, because you're basically putting tea with a whole bunch of other ingredients onto your face. So we're gonna start off with the basic step of adding a tea bag. You just add 1. If you feel like you want something more stronger, then you can add 2, but I have never added 2 tea bags. Neither have I seen it, so I don't know why I'm recommending it. And then I'm going to add my lemon. Just 1 slice of lemon, guys, will be enough. And I hope I get a perfect cut, because this is the end of the lemon, guys. It's the end of the lemon. And I go on to cut it in half, just so that the juice will spread in the tea. I just feel as though all the benefits will just come out easily. And the last 2 things I add is apple cider vinegar and honey. So I said I don't really measure. However, for you guys, I will say that I will use, this brand, everybody knows this brand. I'm gonna just put half of the cap into the tea to give you guys a bit of an idea. So I'm just going to pour that in, put that aside, and we're gonna move on to the last thing. For the honey, I just say do as you please. I can't imagine people will overdo the honey, but you can see just about how much I put in. And then lastly, guys, we add the hot water, okay? And what's gonna happen now is I'm gonna let it sit for as long as it takes, because I want it to be extra strong. So I often wait until it is completely cooled down before I remove everything out of the mix. So I leave this to sit for, let's say, 15 minutes. If you want this to be a faster process, then you can let it sit for a shorter time and then put it in your fridge, like I probably will, because I need to shower. And then we are gonna transfer it into the spritz bottle. So I'll see you soon. I ended up putting it in the fridge just because I want this process to happen faster, because I need to shower. So what I have here is a container and a strainer, and what I'm gonna do is just get everything out, because what you'll find is that if you just put the entire thing into the bottle, you find particles of lemon in the thing. So that's what we're trying to avoid. I don't know if you can even see clearly. Just those little things that will block the tube in the spritz bottle. So I take my bottle, and the reason why I like using this is because it's easier just to pour it into the container, and I just pour it in until I see it's full. And this is probably not gonna fill the entire thing, but that's okay. We can just use it quickly. So guys, this is the thing. This is the product. I'm gonna put it back in the fridge so that when I do come out of the shower, I can just easily come to the fridge and spritz it. Plus it helps it to last longer. You should always just keep your self-made toners in the fridge. And I will see you when I apply it. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you in the next one. Okay, I keep looking there. It's been a while since I posted, you know. I've forgotten to look into the camera instead of to the viewfinder. You know how many